Hey guys, back again. Just doing another live stream, obviously. There's something there as well. Let's close to the price action, right? So we have these. So slow, right? 15-minute chart, looking bullish. Show you guys where I'm currently at in terms of my account challenge. Alright, so with my account challenge so far, looking profitable days, five nights in a row, which is very good. It's like better than my back testing, right? So you're looking at pretty decent win rate, obviously still 60% win rate ratio compared to all my back testing. We've also got obviously we've got here as well profit target only $70 left, so I only need 1.5%, and then I've passed my funding account challenge. So good. So obviously I've been doing lots of back testing with all the FX replay stuff. Hello again, Mark. How you going? Good to see you. So yeah, doing well, man. Just basically excited to hopefully pass my phase 1 of the challenge tonight. So that's how we're going so far, right? Pretty good. Very weak. So looking good. Just need 70 more bucks, and then we're good to go. So yeah, definitely I don't like to trade until like 10-15 minutes into this session when everything's just calmed down. Right. So far my buy for tonight so far is bullish. However, we do have this gap that we need to fill. If that counts for anything. No, I reckon that's a buy. I'm going to take that. Risk $50. Bang. That slipped. Pressed it too slow, I wasn't prepared. Guess reason for entry for that one is you got the support and resistance. You got a nice reaction from the VWAP. You've got this nice momentum candle. We've also got, say, price is looking bullish. It should hold, right? Should hold being the key word there. So that's what we're looking 1-to-1. Take profit of $50. Boom. Oh no, fuck me. Oh, I'm happy with that. Hopefully she rips up and I get my I'll take profit, right? Bit of a gamble, so open to the so close to the open, right? Especially with my back testing, I don't have a lot of confidence with the open trade, but let's see. Might give it a little, since I'm going for $50, I might give it a little bit more wiggle room. Go to 50. I'll give it $50 wiggle room. $50. Oh, there we go. Very basic trade, support turns resistance, right? Following momentum. Towards the upside. Yeah. Decent wick left there on the 15 minutes, so that kind of, 10 minute kind of scares me there, but we'll see. I'm expecting that gap to get filled, so whether or not I might just lose this trade for entering early, but we'll see. What's going on with that screen? Is it like super bright for you? Oh wait, I think that's my screen. No, it's fine. It's all good. I just have a feeling with it being a Monday and me entering so early to the start that this will be your first loss. Well, yeah. See what happens. Yeah, it's probably going to be lost, but yeah, we'll see. I gave it a little bit of wiggle room, just in case it clips the bottom. Yeah, not looking good so far, I'll tell you what. Yeah, okay. Yeah, first loss of the night. So I think price might want to go down and fill the gap. To be very patient on my next entry, yeah. So decent work on that. Might be coming down here to fill this gap. Yeah, hey Mark, so yeah, I risk about 1% per trade. So obviously 1% of this 5k account is $50. So let's watch this chart. Let's be patient. Looking at the 15-minute. Once this breaks this low, I'm probably looking for sells. Yeah, I kind of believe it wants to fill this gap now. So what I'm hoping for is something like this. And then I'll get in on the sell. So I'm leaning towards, once it breaks this low. If it breaks the low, right, I want it to break the low, but it might not. Does suck. I was about at 1.5% until passing the challenge. Now does suck that I had to cop a loss, because yeah, I was only $70 left from passing the challenge. Now I'm like $120, so I'm gonna have to have 2 wins to work my way back up, which sucks, but oh well. I knew I shouldn't have entered so early to the open of the session. Normally you get manipulated early session. Yeah, so it's doing kind of what I want it to do, which is good. Now just got to come back up, make like a lower high, and then I'm going to jump in. Come on, buddy. That's perfect. I just need to go up a little higher, and then I can take a sell on that and hopefully make my money back for tonight, and then catch another couple of good trades, and then we're good. Ah, we might not get it. If I actually think about that trade, it actually doesn't meet any of my criteria when I'm back testing, man. Sad, but no more. Good question, Smoker. So I guess in terms of teaching for free, I guess this is what the live trading is, right? To kind of pick up hints and tips that I want to give, but like if I'm going to do like any like one-on-one sessions eventually when I'm funded 100k plus, I probably will charge for it, just because I've lost so much money learning how to trade that I just want to like help recoup some of it back. You know what I mean? But yeah, like stuff like this, like live trading or backtesting videos, or you know, live trading is probably where you're going to learn the most, because if you watch tons of them, eventually you're going to pick up what I'm doing, right? But in terms of like one-on-ones, I'd want to charge for my time. But yeah, definitely live trading like this, right, I'd probably stick for it being free for quite a while, for sure. But if I'm making like shitloads of money trading, like I'll probably still do live trading for free. It's just, yeah, if I'm going to spend my personal time teaching someone, like, yeah, I'll probably charge for it. But if that sounds fair to you. Oh, that's good, Mark. Yeah, obviously, like nights where I've had losers, like even I think the other night I had on the 26th I had a loss, and then on the 25th I had 2 losses before making 1% back. So I'm not going to beat myself up too much about having lost so far tonight. It does suck. I'm going to see 120 profit target left instead of 70. But oh well. Yeah. Yeah, that sucks. So close. Yeah, good question, Mark. So I kind of use some of the stuff I've learned from Photon. Like I've definitely learned that 15-minute structure a lot of the time will actually override larger structure. Like, you know how you got the 4 hour? I normally found when I was backtesting Photon that the smaller time frames seem to like, because you know how people tell you to prioritize looking at the highest term structure, but I normally find the 15 minutes most accurate for me anyway, with what I'm doing anyway. But yeah, I'm expecting this gap to be filled. But yeah, I still look at supply and demand zones, but I just don't feel like they're that accurate anyway. Like fair value gaps and supply and demand zones. I could just, yeah. Okay, well, let me, you ask, you're a question smoker. Would you, like obviously I'm live trading for free so you can see what I'm doing, but if I'm gonna, you know, spend an hour away from my family or an hour doing something, because it's gonna take you like years to become it's gonna take you at least 6 months to become a profitable trader if I teach you one-on-one. Like it's not that easy as me just teach you a strategy for half an hour and then all of a sudden you've got it. Like there's lots of stuff you got to pick up. So like if I'm spending, you know, many hours of my time teaching you one-on-one on how to trade, you know, or, you know, spend years learning, creating my own strategy for myself like this, like I've got to charge something for it, right? I shouldn't just give it out to everyone on the internet for free. Like, would you do that? If you're a profitable trader, would you, like, after losing like tons of money trading, would you then teach everyone everything you know, like, for free? Like, I don't know, it just doesn't make sense to me. But I'm basically teaching it for free right now by doing live trading, so. Yeah, that's true. I guess why would you even want to teach anyone when you're already a profitable trader, right? That's a good question. Another reason why I'd want to actually have like teach someone. I struggle to pass challenges with it because, like I say in all of my other videos, is it takes a very long time. Like I might spend fucking a whole month and I've only had like 5 trades. So, and then say you get 2 losers and 2 winners, you've made 6% for a whole month. It just wasn't quick enough for me. Like, I don't know about you, but if you're gonna make like, because the thing with the challenge, you got to do like, let's have a look. With the challenge, you've got to go 8% and then another 5%. So you're gonna make 13%. You're gonna make 13% to even pass the challenge. And so if you wanna pass a challenge in a whole year and make 50% in a year, that's cool. But yeah, it just takes too long in my opinion. And like as you can see from my YouTube background thing, those payouts I got were from Photon, so it was working for me. But some months, like, you might have a whole break-even month and you've only taken like 6 trades. A bit messy. Not high enough for my liking. Yeah. Plus, to be honest, I've actually lost like probably over 100 grand learning to trade. So I got greedy in my first few years of trading, and also I've spent like that much on trading courses. Like I've spent, Photon's not the only course I've bought. I've bought like a $5,000 course before. I've bought like a $3,000 course before. And most of the time I couldn't really afford it, you know. So I want to get something for my time if I'm gonna like what I want to teach people. But I also know just how hard it is to actually learn trading. Because a lot of the time, most people when they teach it to you, it's a scam. So it's bullshit. So I also want to help with that. I want to help people not struggle as much as I did, but I also don't want to just give it up for free. You know. Even though I'm kind of doing that right now. But yeah. Yeah, good question. So yeah, that's what I'm kind of doing right now. That's why I'm only doing a 5k account, because I'm testing how well I can go even with spread and on a live account. Because obviously backtesting is a little bit different, right? But yeah, so far, like looking at the account, right? 5 profitable days. Okay, one day was basically break even, but basically 5 days in a row profitable. You know, I'm getting trades every day. It's pretty good. Like, it's working so far, but that's... Yeah, man, especially with you starting so early with me, I'd probably just give you a link straight to my course for free. It's just like one-on-one teaching. Like, say if I'm constantly doing one-on-ones with people, then yeah, I'd definitely charge for my time. But say a course, like, I'd probably sell that for super cheap. If not, yeah, give it to a few people for free. So I'd probably do that for you, man. Yeah, so it filled the gap on the 4 hour. And then now it's filled the gap on the 4 hour here, but if we look at the 1 hour. Filled it very close. So like filled that gap straight to the close of the candle. Like right there's a gap. And then I reckon it's going to close this gap and then maybe turn bullish. But right now I'm quite bearish. Like I'm looking for sells right now for sure. Oh, yeah. Oh, bro, if you're 50k funded, man, you're doing well. Is that Do you reckon you got that because you were lucky, or do you reckon you got that because you've actually got a decent... Because yeah, it sounds like if you're already 50k funded, you should have a decent strategy already. You should be at my stage now, where you've got a good strategy. You don't even need to watch me. Have you placed any trades tonight? Like, what do you trade on your 50k funded account? Well, what system do you trade, Smoker? Good. I just like trading short term. Like super short term. After it fills this gap, like, you know. Might swing back bullish again. That could be a buy right there if that's part of your system. I'm filling the gap. Well, that makes sense, and especially if you like just keep buying the DAX because it's got an upward bias anyway. Quite a lot, actually. I've had a trading session on my back testing where I have like 5 losses in a row on just one night. So it can happen. But to be honest, most of the back testing videos you see on YouTube, those are most of the ones I've done anyway. So I've actually got to do more, I reckon. But I'm just, as soon as I get 4 losses in a row, I'm forced to just hop off for the night and just go, okay, that's it, I'm done. But thankfully, so far, I haven't had to do any of that. Yeah, you say that, but you know, there's a reason why you're asking to get some courses for free. Like, most even really professional traders I know can have 3 losses in a row. If it's like impossible for you to trade more than 3 trades in a row, like, you don't really need any more teaching. A lot. Let's have a look. I'll show you. Since the market's not really doing much right now. So this is me trading LC2A. This is 3-to-1 trading. Max RR 3-to-1. Win rate 46%. Only 50 trades in a whole year, whereas like you saw with my back testing, I can get 70 trades within 3 weeks. You know, so I'm getting way more trade frequency. But if we're looking at like losses, you know, you can trade a whole month and not make any money. Look, 1, 2, 3 losses, boom, right there. 1, 2, 3 losses. 1, 2, 3 losses before I get a win. 4 losses in a row. This is Euro session only, but right. Here we go. I'm starting to become more interested in what's going on here. Maybe not. What's going on here? Hang on. What the hell's going on with the screen? 1 second. There we go. Boom. Sorry, I was just trying to overclock my screen. Much better. Yeah, I'm gonna sell that. Looks like a sell for me. Risk, sell, bang. Sell market, $50, risk. Bang, sold. Let's hope this is a winner, boys. I really don't want to cop another loss. Not tonight. So close to passing the challenge. Really? $44? What's going on here? Put that there. $50. There we go. And I might enter a little bit more, risking $4. And then we do a sell. Bang. No, fuck. Jump down. Oh, that. Got that. Set risking. Stop loss. Hey! Nice. Okay. Risk. sell up there, $5 at market, bang, there we go. Take profit, $5. Bang. Wish me luck, boys. Hopefully don't cop another loss. It's looking kind of bullish right to fill the gap. Also, I guess if you look at 1 hour and 4 hour time frames, it's bullish. But I'm just following 15-minute structure and 1-minute structure, and hopefully we win. Right? Let's look at that on the chart. Hopefully. Right. I hate losing, but you know, it's part of the course. I always follow momentum. I never always follow momentum. I never try and trust support and resistance on the high time frames as much as like just what's going on with momentum right now. Very nice. Very nice. Looking good. Looking very good. There it is. Yeah, no mate, Photon's not going to help you get funded quicker. This strategy might, but you know, I'm not funded with 50k even with this strategy yet, so you're doing better than me. There we go, nice win. Boom, got a nice win on that one. Can you guess why I sold there? Can you guess? Can you guess why I sold there? There we go, bang. Another win, let's go. Now I'm only, well, 334, so I'm back to only 65 bucks until I pass the challenge. But look, it's only taken me, where are you? Where is it? Where are you? Dashboard. Where are you? Where is it? There we go, dashboard, there it is. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so it's only taken me 1 week, and I've already made 6.6%, and I'm about break even so far tonight. So that's pretty good. It's better than waiting a whole month, you know. And I get more action. I actually get a trade every night, you know. So yeah, just phase 1. So this is just phase 1. Phase student. Yeah, so at the moment in my stage of this journey with this strategy, I've only just done a bunch of back testing, and I've only just done a bunch of back testing, and now I'm actually trying it out in the live market. So that's what I'm doing right now. So that's what I mean. That's why I haven't even made a course yet. A course or like a course or even teaching anyone one-on-one, because I can't prove it's long-term profitable, you know, when I'm 100k funded. Yeah, sweet. But yeah, right now I'm just break even so far tonight. Fortunately, yeah, it's better than. As you can see, the spread on the DAX on, you know, funding pips, it's not bad. It's not really been an issue for me for my strategy. Man, it feels so good. Popping a win. Yeah, definitely. Just need to be patient. I haven't even back tested whether or not it's better for me to hold on the trades for 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 or something like that, but yeah, right now 1 to 1. Yeah, I'm gonna keep. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm gonna keep going until about another hour, I reckon. I always want to trade for at least 2 hours. I want to try and want to pass the challenge tonight. But thanks, mate. I am gonna turn the mic off for a little bit. I'm just gonna say goodnight to the family and put the middle one to bed. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back from the dead. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing really to boast for, only a 5k account. Yeah, just wait till it's 100k, then we'll then maybe I'll start boasting a little bit. We're going to take another sell here on the break for the slow. Wish me luck. If it breaks the way right. Feels like I didn't take a sell on it. Yes. Might take a sell on this, maybe. If it reacts well. It says 4 tons resistance, mate. Maybe. Maybe. I'll drop another one, I'll pass this challenge. We'll see. The difference in that one. Self-stop in that. Penny stop. A little bit higher, there we go. Okay. Taken it yet, but I may, if it breaks this low, I might. Yeah, looks like it's about to happen. Okay, I'm not looking for that anymore. Go to market sell. I'm not looking for that until it hits up here somewhere. Okay, that's looking more something I would want to deal with somewhere up here in terms of looking for sells. Yeah, I might take a sell on that. It has to break this low, so That's done. What's that sitting at? Oh, come on. I need to take another sell. So I might go take profit at 50 bucks, 40 bucks, 50 bucks. Bang. And then if it comes back up, I'll take it still 50. Comes back up, I'll add an extra 10 bucks onto it. So risk. Crap. Another 10 bucks. So oh, perfect. So just an extra 10 bucks. Yep, there we go. So that's $5. Okay. Righto. So I need to risk another, what's that sitting at? That's $42. That's $5. Yeah, that's okay. So if I go take profit, $6. So if I go 7, 8, that's good. $8. Okay. 42. That's what I need. There we go. Bang. Perfect. Then hopefully this dumps down and we get target, and then we pass the challenge tonight. Okay, that's a good reaction. We do have a support here, but I'm hoping it's going to pop through it after this reaction off of it and then popping down. Okay, is that an add to an entry trade? Price comes up, top, comes over, exit on the top. Not that anymore, risk anyway. Sell for 50. Pending. Pending. Like that. Just bang. Maybe with adding that additional risk, I might put my stop loss up down here once it enters, maybe. The sell. There we go, that's the sell. That's a good entry on that. Now I might move these stop losses down to reduce my risk, but basically double down on the same trade. So we just need 5,400. Once that hits, I'm closing my entries. Do we have justification for jumping in this trade? Yes, we have. Price come down, make a high. Price come down, make a high. Double top. Price now breaking below, shooting down towards the downside. Now we're sitting at 5,367 equity. So if we wait for, okay, we look at, I'm not liking that reaction. Still got this low to take out. In terms of, like, say if it was a liquidity grab, that one there, right? If we're looking at the one there, not liking that reaction at all. Hope that stopped out, so be it. Nice reaction. Okay, equity is looking close to passing the challenge rate. Let's just be patient and let either the trade play out or we lose either one. But I'm feeling more confident every second that this dumps down. Every second, let's go. This one I might be a bit more concerned about whether or not I should close my trades. But I don't need a lot, I just need 5,400 to pass the phase 1 on my challenge. So we got, yep. Yep. So we got 5,388, 5,393. Yep, 3,393. Go a little bit further. Beautiful. Stay strong. Bang. Stay strong, bang. Okay, we have passed the challenge, guys. Phase 1 passed. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my live tonight. It took us an hour and a half, but we did it. We passed phase 1 of our funding pips journey. So as you can see here, let's refresh, baby. Refresh, baby. We've made 8.17% profit. Profit target has been hit. As you can see here, for the amount of trading days, it took me 6 days to pass the trading account challenge. That's fantastic, guys. So yeah, you guys have a fantastic afternoon. I'll catch you later. Enjoy your night. Spend time with your family. Kiss your loved ones. Thank you.